Good day in a home, or good evening actually in a home. I'm your host Will and Cloud and welcome back to Jakuna video or Mazda 6. Now this time I'm gonna show you how you can change these light bulbs. Now on the side of the screen, or actually on the screen, you will see the difference between the old one and the new one. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. And it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. First, open your trunk. And then we need to aim for this. Now you see right here. Here is a tab and here is a tab. Those two tabs hold it there. Your bulb looks like this right now. Just a old bulb. And you can easily change it to an LED one. See? It's an LED, it's brighter, it's much newer and shinier. You might look at the size difference and say, this might not fit. It does fit, because this, as you saw, have it changed right here, see? The LEDs are right there, you can even see it. Hello, hello there, hello LEDs, hello, are you safe there? You are. Now I'll show you how to change it on this side. And the tool you're gonna need, better take trim removal tools. But as my one is broke, this is the only thing I left. If you're smart and you use your brains, you won't scratch anything. Now then, all we have to do is in here and pry this open and away, this away. Then on the other side the same thing. Now boink, and it comes out. Come on, don't fight me. There you go. And now it should slide out. There you go. So this is what's holding it on. See? It holds on this and this tab. That's what's holding it on. And now we're left with this kind of bulb. And this you just have to pull out, like up. And it's really tight in there, so hold up. You won't see anything because my fingers will be in there. It's very, very tight in there. See, it's not that easy. And you will hear all my moans and struggles. And the worst is you cannot grab it properly because it's small. It's, look, it's not even my one finger width. So there isn't a nice way to get it. Oh, I got it. There you go. See how it looks like. Right there. This on the ground. But this is directional. So before you put it in, I don't know which direction it is. Okay, I'll put it one way in and we turned on the lights. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. I know you like the hole. Oh, it's in. Now let's go turn on the lights and see if this actually works. Stay there. Now on Mazda 6 you can actually turn this and the lights are on, see? And at the shutter. Now if you look, this one is shining, this one isn't. So this is other way around. So we get it out. Sorry. We get it out like this it was, and if we spin this around. Get in there. Get in there. Ah, there you go. There you go. Look at them, shiny boys. Let's switch it off and put everything back together. So this is the right way. Now we can just make sure it's fully seated. Just give it a wiggle. Just push, push, give it a wiggle. This, now we have to Now this will be a little more interesting because you have to put it over the top and in. So over the top of this one and push it inward. See, it wants to go crooked. That's not what you want to get. Oh, it's too late. My one gone crooked. Now I need a screwdriver to get it back out. Yeah, see, it's a struggle to hold you guys and to put this in place. It's a freaking struggle. And I'm doing that with one hand because I'm holding you guys. Please go, get in there and in there. Oh, come on, bastard. Is it in there? Nope. You can still see the tab right there. The tab is still shiny. Hey! That's fully seated. This one is not fully seated. It wants something. This side wants something. Do you want it down or up? It wanted just down. There you go. If you can push like this with the finger, see? I'm even tapping and it doesn't move. You see it right. This. There you go. Lovely. All done. Took me 7 minutes and 40 seconds from the start till the end. From the old style to the LED news. And that looks much better than this old crap. If you like this informative and quick mod video, of course smash the like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you in the next Jakuna video, where we're gonna do maybe something else. Bye bye!